I don't know about you, but sometimes I like to think about English and how completely odd it is. For example, I want to make things plural, and if I go back to elementary school, they would just tell me, add an S to something to make it plural. So house would become houses. All right, fine, I can accept that. Many houses is house. But mouses, that's not a word, it becomes mice. And persons, no, it becomes people. And what about tooth? That becomes teeth. So what do we learn here is I personally don't like the English language. Their rules confuse me. And you know why I appreciate Latin? Is because it has its own specific set of rules for making things plural. So let's talk about those. So we've discussed in the past that of something called declensions, or categories in which words follow. For I have the first declension, and everything in the first declension follows one set of rules. The second declension, which follows another set, and the third declension, which follows another set. So I'm going to talk about specifically right now the first declension. So everyone on this side. What we know about the first declension is that our nominative singular or our subject is always going to end with A. And we also know that the accusative is going to be am. So the word puella, the accusative would become puellam. We know in the second declension, it follows another set of patterns. So let's talk about those. We know that this nominative can either end with a us, an ir, or an er. And we know that its accusative ending is going to be um. And in the final declension over here, I have the varied ones because the nominative could end with anything like canis and mercator. And the accusative ending is going to be em. But today we get to fill in a brand new side of the chart. Have you ever wondered what the plural of A is? Well, it's AE. So the plural of puella, which is one girl, will become puellae, girls. Let's look at us, ir, or er. The plural of that is I. So this is puer is one boy, but pueri is many boys. And the plural of this varies one is going to be es. So the plural of canis, which is dog, will become canes. So let's go ahead and see if we can see them out in the wild. So make sure before you exit out this video, you write down my new endings of AE, I, and ES. So let's go ahead and start reading a story.